Here's a 2015 GMC Terrain. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, manual telescoping steering column, OnStar remote link, external memory control, aluminum wheels, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, and power heated mirrors. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.